फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज अमित और वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एम ब्लॉग्स में। आज का टूर है, हम जा रहे हैं जिरंग एंड गंडारी वाटरफॉल व्हिच इज सिचुएटेड इन गजपति डिस्ट्रिक्ट। तो आज हम निकल गए हैं भुवनेश्वर से करीब रात को 9 बजे, क्योंकि फ्रॉम भुवनेश्वर जिरंग इज़ अबाउट 300 किलोमीटर। सो प्लान यही है कि कल सुबह तक हमें वहाँ पर पहुँचना है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द जर्नी। So hello friends, we are now at Chilika Dhaba. So this dhaba is famous for best seafood near Balaga and Chilika. And if you travel this side, you must try on this dhaba. So we will take our dinner here, then we have to move on. So we are near around Chhatrap. We have covered around 150 kilometers already. So after taking tea, we will move on. So hello friends, we are finally at Jirang. It's around 6 a.m. morning, and we have traveled around 300 kilometers from Bhubaneswar to reach Jirang. And after that, we will travel directly to Gandahati Waterfall. And this is the actual entrance gate of the Jirang. And look at it. And these are my friends. So चलिए आगे चलते हैं. This is the look at the scenic view of the sky. Actually, it's amazing in morning. So this is the entrance gate of Jirang, and behind it the actual temple is there. So चलिए चलते हैं आगे. So let's get entry to Jirang, and remember that there is a visiting hours of tourists which are in morning 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Between this you can travel to Jirang, and this is the actual Jirang temple, and this was actually amazing, beautiful. and let's go near to it. Finally, we are reached at Gandahati Waterfall, and you can see it. The Gandahati Waterfall is 0 km from here, and this place is also attached with a park, which is known as Gandahati Waterfall Park, and this was a very developed place. So let's go.